In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best methods for a complete treatment. Keep up, this is going to be quick. On the tibialis anterior shin, we're working on the outside of that tibia, okay, on this fleshy side. So I'm using a heel of hand, which is a reinforced technique. I'm then going to move to a fist technique. This is called cam and spindle. So we've got the fist and we've got a hand gliding up. Pressure on the way up, keep contact on the way back down. From here, we could do some kneading. So we can knead like so. All my pressure is on this muscle here. And then I can change that into a transverse stroke. So standing up straight, one thumb on top of the other, we're going to be working over the muscle group. So start at the tibia and work away from the tibia. We can move that into a stripping technique. So from the base, again, reinforce our thumb, and we're going to work up into that muscle up. So this one might feel a little bit more tender. We can work in this line and we can work further around the corner. So you could be actually getting to the peroneal muscles. Once we've soothed that off, we're going to work on the inside of the leg. So we bring the knee up like so and just lean on the foot. Now we can see it's more relaxed, so we're going to slide our fingers down that inside edge or the medial border of the tibia. Slide it down and feel for any particular tightness or adhesions. Once we've found it, we can do mini compressions into those tight areas. Press and hold, and then we can friction over the area. So friction those areas of tension here. It might feel quite uncomfortable, but we're only going to do it for a few seconds before we then soothe off. Place the leg back down and effleurage to finish. I hope you have found this 2-minute tutorial useful. Please drop me a comment below if there's anything else you would like to see. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.